Thank you and welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can file for your monthly rental income in case you are a landlord who receive a rent ranging from 288,000 to 15 million annually, which translates to 24,000 monthly. You are required by law to file for your monthly rental income tax return, which before you be able to be deducting this amount and remitting to the KRA or reporting using this manner, you need to register your property through the electronic rental income tax system in order to do that. So this is the portal where you need to come and register your property first. But with no much ado, let us get started. What you're supposed to do, just get into the KRA portal in order to file your return and enter your KRA PIN. So my KRA PIN is A015430007A. Then you need to hit continue. You need to confirm your password and your TIN. Then you need to do a simple mathematical computation here, which is basically 82 minus 6, giving me a value of 76. Then you need to log in. So when you log in, you'll be taken into this KRA interface. Just come to here, we have return. Then choose file returns. When you choose file return, you choose your tax obligation in case you are and choose the rent income MRI. Then click next. So this section A is usually pre-populated because it's a drawing data from this portal. So that's why it is already pre-populated with the landlord pins, which is my TIN, the landlord address. So and the return is original. So you need to come at the section B. This is where all your buildings or properties they are populated. So in case you have 3 buildings, maybe one complex building here and another one here, this is where they are populated here, all those buildings. So you enter the rental income emanating from all those buildings or property. Maybe here I received 24,500 as the gross income from that property. And maybe from this property, I received a gross income of 19,000, maybe, assuming. These are just hypothetical figure. I'm just doing it for demo. So, and maybe in the third property, I received 24,000 that month. Let me put it 24,000. So, you notice that the tax on the rental income is calculated automatically, which is 7.5% of all these gross value. So you need to come at the section B and section C, and you see all the calculation. The number of property, they are 3. The total rental income is 67,000. The tax, which is 7.5%, which is 7.5%, 0.75 multiplied by, you know, Kenyans, we need to verify everything, 67,500, 67,500, giving us a value of 5,063. So they are doing a rounding off. Then when you are good with what you have, you can submit. I will not submit because I don't know KRA, I don't have this property actually. So from there, you can come and make payment if need be, if you want to make the payment registration and pay the amount of tax which you are required by the revenue authority to pay. So what you should notice is that the 7.5% of the gross rental income which you are declaring to the revenue authority, it is a final tax. And what they mean by final tax, because a lot of Kenyans don't understand, is that the tax which you pay, you are not supposed to declare this income when filing your annual tax return. So when you submit this tax monthly, you will not be declaring it annually, and this is a final tax. So this is the advantage of the MRI. You need to register your property and be doing your tax return using the monthly rental income tax return and pay the tax due which is required by law. But the point is you will not be able to deduct any expense from this income. You just declare the 7.5 and it is the final tax. So in case you have any query regarding the MRI registration of the property and management of this property as a landlord or a property holder, or the property management firm, you can get me through my contact in the description or through our email, and we ensure you that you get high note tax consulting at an affordable fee. So thank you for watching and have a superb day ahead.